Hi everyone, welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to go ahead and refresh the bathroom. So come on with me, guys. So I don't really like to do very much as far as decorating in the bathroom, but I do like it to look clean and airy because the space is really not that big. So I started out with the bathtub, and all I do is spray it with that pink stuff, the dupe from Dollar Tree. And then I go ahead and I still use the Comet with bleach. So I let that soak there and I move on to the next step. So this video is a part of a collaboration called Home Cleaning Motivation. And this is being hosted by Simply Grace Lifestyle and Sonia Down South. Now, it's going to be added to the playlist because it is an open playlist. And since we're going to be cleaning multiple times throughout the month, I'm going to go ahead and add that video to the playlist. It's usually the first Monday of every month at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now, I don't always use the same thing every time I clean the bathroom, but I do love using that dupe pink stuff from the Dollar Tree. So I did the same thing here. I sprayed the inside of the toilet, and then I went ahead and I put the Comet bleach. Then I sprayed the pink stuff all over the rest of the outer area, and I went ahead and just wiped that down. Then we're going to move on over to the sink, guys. Now, since my son and I are always busy with school and everything is rush, I have to get in here when I can. And that's the reason for what I said. So I'll grab the paper towels. Now we're working on the sink. And then we're just going to go ahead and change the shower curtain. I'm not going to do that on camera. I'm just going to go ahead and hang the white shower curtain and take down the old one. So the next time I decide to freshen up the bathroom, which is really like every couple of weeks, I refresh the bathroom, take down the shower curtain, and go ahead and put the other one. I was looking for the one with the trees. I couldn't find it, which works out perfectly because when I do find it, it's going to blend right into the Christmas theme. So I'm like really happy. And like I said, it's just going to be very light things that I put around that will let you know that it's Christmas. It's not going to be a whole bathroom Christmas scene here. Now I do this because it helps the bathroom stay light and airy with little hints of whatever the season is. All right, so I think we need to head on over to the reveal. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and God bless you. Amen.